Hello students, welcome to online classes of Semstar Global School. I am Ramesh Sharma. Today I am going to start revision of GK chapter 1. See, chapter 1, our surroundings. Let's start with true or false. See, first statement, we can use the used kitchen water to water the plants. See, you know that we should not waste water. If we use kitchen water to water the plants, in this way we can save water. That's why this statement is true. So we can write here T for true. Okay, we use here T. Now second statement, we should avoid burning firecrackers. You know that firecrackers makes a lot of air pollution, so we should avoid burning firecrackers. Again, this statement is also true. Clear? Now third statement, more plastic cups and bags should be brought in use. You know that we should not use plastic bags or cups, so this statement is false. Okay, because statement is more plastic cups and bags should be brought in use, so this statement is false. Now fourth statement, we should try to grow our food in house or locally. Okay, so this statement is true because we should try to grow our food in our house. Okay, now next statement, people should use more horns or loud music system in cars. You know that we should not do this because horns and loud music makes a lot of noise pollution. So again, this statement is false. Clear? Now chapter 2. Wash your hands to be healthy. Okay, fill in the blanks. First question is, wash your dash to keep away from infection and germs. See, hints is given: sanitizer, towel, hands, animal, 20 seconds. So again, read the question. Wash your dash to keep away from infection and germs. So you know that right answer is wash your hand. Wash your hands to keep away from infection and germs. Now wash your hands properly after touching or feeding any. See, hints: sanitizer, no; towels, no. Right answer is animals. See, wash your hands properly after touching or feeding any animals. Clear? So right answer is animal. Clear? Now third, we can use a dash to clean our hands if running water is not available to wash hand. See, question is, if running water is not available, then we can use a, see, hands and animals, hand and animal, then sanitizer, towel and 20 seconds. So you know that we can't use towel. Okay, so the right answer is sanitizer. Sanitizer. Clear? So now we can use a sanitizer to clean our hands if running water is not available to wash hand. Clear? Now next, while washing your hand, scrub them for at least 20 seconds. It means after washing your hand, scrub them for at least 20 seconds. Okay. Now next, dry your hands after washing with a clean towel. C. Clear? Now, next topic is Cabinet of Ministers. First, Prime Minister of India. You know that? Who is the Prime Minister of India? Narendra Modi. What is the full name of Narendra Modi? Narendra Damodar Das Modi. Okay. Now next question. Minister of Defense. Who is the Minister of Defense of India? Rajnath Singh. Rajnath Singh is the Minister of Defense. Okay. Third, Minister of Finance. Who is the Minister of Finance? Nirmala Sitharaman. Nirmala Sitharaman is the Minister of Finance. Okay. Next, Minister of Railways. Piyush Goyal. Piyush Goyal is the Railway Minister. Okay. Next, Minister of Home Affairs. Minister of Home Affairs is Amit Shah. Okay. Amit Shah is the Minister of Home Affairs. And next, Minister of Science Technology. Minister of Science and Technology. Answer is Dr. Harshvardhan. Harshvardhan is the Dr. Harshvardhan is the Minister of Science and Technology. Clear? Now, last, Minister of External Affairs. Who is the Minister of External Affairs? Subramaniam Jaishankar. Subramaniam Jaishankar is the Minister of External Affairs. Clear? Next topic, our President. Our President. Who was the first President of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first President of India. Okay. Now, next, present President. Who is the President of India right now? Ramnath Kovind. Mr. Ramnath Kovind is the President of India. Okay. Next, first woman President of India. Who was the first woman President of India? Pratibha Patil. Mrs. Pratibha Patil is the first woman President of India. Okay. Now next question is, what is the official term of President's office in years? So answer is 5 years. 5 years is the official term. 5 years is the official terms of President's office. Clear? Now next, which President's birthday celebrated as Teachers' Day in India? You know that Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th of September. And which President's birthday? Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Radhakrishna. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan's birthday is celebrated as Teachers' Day in India. Okay.